Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change your wallpaper on Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to turn on your computer and wait for it to fully load. Make sure you're at your desktop before proceeding with the next steps, as this ensures all system features are ready to use. Once your PC is ready and you can see your desktop, it's time to access the personalization settings. Look down at your taskbar at the bottom of your screen and locate the Windows Start menu. It's typically the Windows icon positioned on the left side. Click on it and the menu will open up, revealing a search bar at the top. This search bar is your quick gateway to various system settings. In the search bar, type in personalization and hit enter on your keyboard. This will take you directly to the Windows personalization settings where you can customize various aspects of your system's appearance. A themes window will appear showing you multiple customization options. Now, take a look at the left-hand menu of this window. You'll see several options listed there. Click on Background to access the wallpaper settings. This section is specifically designed to let you control what appears on your desktop background. From the background drop-down menu that appears, you'll notice you have three main options to choose from. You can select Picture if you want a single image as your wallpaper, Solid Color if you prefer a simple, uniform color across your desktop, or Slideshow if you'd like your wallpaper to rotate through multiple images automatically. Each option gives you a different way to personalize your workspace. If you want to use your own image as your wallpaper, you'll need to add it to the system. Look for the Browse button within the Background section and click on it. This will open up your File Explorer, allowing you to navigate through your computer's folders and select any image file you'd like to use. Once you find the perfect picture, click on it and it will be applied as your new desktop wallpaper, giving your Windows 11 computer a fresh, personalized look. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your wallpaper on Windows 11. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.